Hey kids, ready to meet a colorful friend? Today we're discovering the talkative parrot, known for its incredible ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. These vibrant birds live in vibrant, lush rainforests and feast on a diet of seeds, nuts, and fruits. But did you know parrots have a special trick? They don't actually speak like humans. Instead, they imitate the sounds they hear with amazing precision. Isn't it fascinating how they use this talent to communicate in the wild? Keep exploring the animal kingdom and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun animal adventures.